Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 geography chapter 4 maps. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video. Please subscribe the channel and comment me in the comment section what more do you want through these videos. So let's start today's video. First question is, a dash is a representation or drawing of Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Answer is map. Next question is, maps provide dash information than a globe. Answer is more. Map provide more information than globe. Next question is, distance, direction and symbols are dash of maps. Answer is components. These are the components of map. Next question is, dash is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Answer is scale. Scale is the ratio between actual distance and the distance on map. Next question is, rough drawing without a scale is called dash. Answer is sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing. Next question is, drawing of a small area on a large scale is called dash. Answer is plan. Next question is, language used in maps is dash. Answer is universal. Next question is, dash is used to draw small area. Answer is large scale. Next is, large areas are drawn with dash scale on maps. Answer is small. Large areas are drawn by small scale. Next question is, dash color is used to show plateaus on maps. Answer is yellow. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel. We will get back to you. Till then, bye bye.